So this is our electrical plan for the Poetry Foundation project that we've been working on in class. And I have right now a linked Revit model from basically the architectural model linked into this plan. And I've turned on the mechanical system by default. But if you wanted to model something in the architectural model, or sorry, in the electrical model that already exists in the electrical model, and again, I'm using these ducts as an example. If you click VG for visibility and graphics, you can go up here and you can go into the linked model here. Click by host view. We're going to click custom, and we're going to go into model categories, and we're going to change this to custom as well. And if we go in here, we can go to our ducts and all of our duct fittings and stuff like that, and unselect that. And then we can also leave our mechanical equipment off there. And so by doing that, it actually hides it in this view. But if I were to go, not that I would, but if I were to go draw a duct in the electrical plan, that duct will show up, just the ones that are linked in don't show up. And so that's a good way to hide things from the linked model that you want to bring in, that you obviously bringing the linked model in for views, or sorry, for walls and different things like that, but there's certain things you don't want to see. Another example of this is the grid lines. We might want to see the grid lines, but we don't want them to be as prominent, so we can go to the annotation categories by custom, and we can scroll down to the grids and turn the grids onto halftone or turn them off altogether. And that's a good way to improve the graphics of something that you're importing. And that way we can focus on, in this model, electrical and lighting, and focus on placing those elements.